After doing the concept of magnification, the last concept in the chapter is about the power. All the lenses, convex as well as concave, they have powers. Power is defined as reciprocal of focal length. The formula used to calculate power is 1 upon f. The SI unit of power is diopters, denoted by capital D. If you have to define one diopter is defined as the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter, because diopter is always expressed in terms of meters. You have to take focal length in meters, not in centimeters. Talking about convex lens, if you have to calculate the power of a convex lens has its focal length positive, hence the focal length taken as positive will produce a power which will be positive in value. For example, if you take a focal length of 20 centimeters for a convex lens, then the power calculated would be power is equals to 1 upon plus 20. 1 upon plus 20. Now if you are taking focal length in centimeters, then the formula changes to 100 upon focal length. Cancelling, you get 5 diopter. So whenever you have to calculate power, the formula used is 1 upon focal length if the focal length is in meters. But if you take the focal length in centimeters, then the formula changes into 100 upon focal length. And you get power in positive terminology. Talking about a concave lens has focal length negative. Hence, the power for a concave lens will also be negative. For example, if the power of a concave lens is 20 centimeter, then the formula used would be power is equals to 100 upon focal length, because focal length is given in centimeters. Hence, you will calculate power as 100 upon plus 20, and the answer for power would be plus 5 diopter. That is how you calculate the powers for a lenses. Now if you have a combination of lenses, means you are using more than one lenses at a time, then powers can be added. For example, if I give you power of one lens as P1 and the second lens as P2 or third lens as P3 and so on, and you want to find out total power, then you can add the individual powers to get the total power. But if you are given more than one lenses and their focal lengths are given, instead of power you are given the focal lengths, then the focal lengths cannot be added. You cannot add 2 or 3 focal lengths. Suppose there are 2 convex lenses and 1 concave lens. We are using all the 3 together. The 2 convex lens have positive focal lengths and concave lens will have a negative focal length. And if you are asked to find the total focal length of the 3 given lenses, then you cannot add the 3 focal lengths. You will have to find out the total power like this. Then focal length, total focal length will be calculated by taking a reciprocal of total power. Total focal length is equals to 1 upon total power. Right? So you have to remember these 2 facts, that powers can be added but focal lengths cannot be added. F1 plus F2. This is not possible. So for calculating total focal length, we will have to find out powers first. We will add the powers, find the total power, and then from the total power you will get the total focal length. This is the last concept about the chapter light. Based on all these concepts and formulas, now you will be able to do the numericals of the chapter. Thank you.